Hey guys, this is Biplab and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install VMware in depth. So, stay with me till the end. At first, I am going to Google for searching download VMware. And here is the first link, download VMware, vmware.com. In this section, there are two options, download for Windows and download for Linux. If you are a Linux user, then go with this link, and if you are a Windows user like me, then go with this link. As you can see, here is a good news for you. The good news is you can access all the features of the software without any registration till 13 days. So it's a big good news. Now for download, I am going to click here, download now, and as you can see, the download will be automatically started here below, but I am not going to download the file now because I have already downloaded the file. Here is my pre-downloaded file. I am going to right click on the file and run as administrator. So you should see this kind of pop-up screen like me, and I am going to click on next and simply click on this mark and click on next. In this part, the default installation path is here. If you guys want to install in the default path, so leave it as well, but if you want to change the path like me, then go to change. And okay, I am going to create a new location, desktop, and I am going to create a new folder, namely VMware, and copy this link, just simple paste on here. Okay, then I am going to click OK and leave the rest as well and click on next. Okay, in this part you can see two check mark here. If you want to update the product automatically, then you should check this box, or you can change it uncheck. Then click on next again and leave it as well and click on next again and click on install. So guys, if you are a new member on my channel, please hit the subscribe button below the video. Just you can see a red button, click on it please. Okay, I think it's over, and you have to just click on finish for last time. Okay, now your VMware Workstation is installed on your system. As you can see a shortcut link on desktop, just go for it and double click. Okay, here is two options. First of all, you can see here is the option for enter a license key. If you guys have a valid license key, then put it on, or if you want to running with the trial version, then choose the below option and continue and just click on finish. Wow, it's very easy, isn't it? So I have a message before ending this video. I have lots of tips and technology related video on my channel. I will give the link in description. Please check it out. I hope you guys enjoy those video, and I will catch you on my next video. Till then, stay cool, stay safe.